My patients, they all seek their own existence and to assure their existence against meaninglessness. Man cannot stand a meaningless life.
Welcome to my channel. We've been in this house for about a month now. It's about 50 minutes north of New York City. We kept our apartment, so the plan is to bounce back and forth, at least until our renovations are done with the house. So why make this video? Selfishly, I wanted to create this video because I wanted a baseline of where the house was when we first purchased it, because we plan to do so many things to it and it has so much potential that I wanted to record it just as we found it. So for the first projects we've been really doing, we've been focusing on inside and then working our way out. So we started with my wife's office downstairs in the basement. It's basically the smallest room in the house, and since I'm a novice in home renovations, I thought it'd be the perfect place to start. turned out great. I'm actually pleasantly surprised how well it turned out, given my lack of experience renovating rooms. And I think it was the perfect place to start, like I mentioned before. We are going to hire, and we have already, a designer and architect to help us with the master bedroom and kitchen, because I think that is over my capacity and I don't want to mess it up. I'm going to figure out what kind of content I want to make. I definitely want to do fashion still, do some food fits, do some collaborations with brands. Would love to do all that. I'm excited to see how this channel helps me grow personally too. All right. Peace, guys. See you next time.
Ja,